I'm Bodhi. I'm with the Custom Built Cars program out in Grand Junction, Colorado. They're run out of Acme Chop Shop over there. We're a student-run program, and this is our 53 Chevy 3100. In this program, we take this guy straight from frame all the way up to this beauty you see here. We've got an LT4 out of a 2018 Camaro in there, frame out of Roadster Shop, 9-inch Ford rear end, and a whole bunch of goodies inside. A lot of this was donated from a lot of our sponsors. Our wheels here, Detroit Steel. We've got Dakota digital gauges inside, Corsa exhaust, just a whole bunch of good stuff in this animal. We just completed it. Really the goal of the program is just to be ready for SEMA. In total, it's a 5-month program. That's all the time you get. You show up, you learn the basics, and it's really all encompassing. I think the ages they take are 18 to 28. Really, if you'd like to learn about cars, it's a great opportunity. Personally, I've done trade school, I've gone to college, and I saw this. I don't think there's a program out there that's more encompassing than this. I mean, when I started this program, I didn't even know how to weld. Day one, they handed me a welder, we're gonna learn. And we've done everything. We've done the body work, the bondo, welding, the paint, the mechanical, fabrication, the whole shebang. It's really amazing. Personally, I just like cars my whole life. I've just been around them. I remember taking rides in my grandpa's old Corvette. I think there's just a natural beauty to cars. It's an art form in itself. I graduated high school during COVID. I thought if I went to college, I wouldn't learn anything over a computer screen. So I went to trade school. I went to Lincoln Tech in Denver and learned a little bit, worked in a few dealerships, but really this is the experience I really want, just to be able to build something like this, not just turn wrenches doing oil changes all day. I never thought I'd be here. It's amazing. To take this and go to Barrett-Jackson in Scottsdale, you really go from being nowhere in the car world to the high end of it. Jack Weaver, the shop owner, he was our main teacher. Every now and again, he'd have his guys step in, all the workers at the shop, come help us with anything we didn't understand. You ask him anything, even about a personal project. Like I have a 1990 K5 at home that I've been working on, complete engine swap, transmission swap. If I had a question like, why is this not working? He would tell me about that, help me work on my own stuff, even get me in touch with our sponsors to help discount product and help me with my own build, which I think is really inspiring. 4 of us made it here and we're all loving it. This is all our first SEMA. We've all never done something like this. And 2 of our kids are straight out of high school. So I think this will set them up and set us all up very well in the car industry. Even if I don't find a career in automotive, just the skills that we're given through this program, I love cars. I don't think I'll ever stop building cars like this. And it's overall just an amazing experience if you want to get into that. Before we take it to Barrett-Jackson, we're gonna put a bed in it. We're gonna throw a diffuser on the back, just a little odds and ends. We had a lot of help on this. A lot of this stuff was donated to help students like me. Give a shout out to Detroit Steel Wheels, New Relics, Vintage Air, Retro Sounds, Quake for our LEDs and our lights, Matco Tools, Dakota Digital for our gauges, and all of our Grand Junction locals. Well, next stop for this truck is going to be Barrett-Jackson in Scottsdale. All the proceeds from this truck go back to next year's build, the program, and our SEMA trip. So if you guys want to help us out, keep an eye out for us there. Follow us on Facebook or Instagram at Custom Built Cars with a K. Keep an eye out on this build.